Here's another rebuild. I know it's already done so long here. But we're gonna do them again. They're my favorite team. I'm sick, so just informed. They have a, and we're gonna trade AJ Brown. Realistically, I've heard the Chiefs are the sweepstakes. I've heard
Alright, so yes, I'm in my garage, as you probably can tell, but I know the volume of sound is ass. I was wearing my earbuds, while filming it, so I was using my earbuds mic. So that's why I won't be using my earbuds. I'll make it a rebuild again, I promise you, but I'm sorry about that. Also, I made a Discord server. Go check it out. Link will be in the description. It's also in the bio of my YouTube channel. Go check it out. Main channel is in the description. My second channel is in the description bio of the YouTube channel as well. Go check that out as well. But let's get back to the rebuild.
um um both LA teams are in the sweepstakes. The Patriots are in the sweepstakes. Baltimore's in the sweepstakes. I've heard of the Jags are in the sweepstakes. So I'm gonna trade him to one of those teams. Probably have the Patriots because they're my first rebuild of Philadelphia. Um, we traded him to the Patriots. So just change things up a little bit. Um, I don't think Nick Sirianni is particularly good head coach. I think he's more like a male cheerleader. We're going to use the Packers off of the playbook in this one. Packers always does well in some as well. Um, so one. So let's go over the team. Jordan Mailata, Brandon Dickerson, when healthy's good. Cam Jurgens, yeah. Downstein had a couple good games last year. Lane Johnson, the team did draft Markel Bell. I don't know if we're going to use him. use him. Dallas Goddard had a career year last season. Then signed a 1 year deal. And then we drafted Eli Styles to be his replacement. We're going to give him star development. Because I think Devontae Smith, I think he's better than AJ Brown anyway. Draft Luca like Crawford or even Makai Lemon. I'm a fan of this pick as well. Um, we're also going to give him star development here. Um, you sign Hollywood Brown as well. Saquon is obviously a beast. And Jalen gets a lot of hate for some reason. But I think he's an extremely good quarterback. He's not perfect by any means, but he's a good quarterback. And defensively, um, Jahad Campbell and Zach Bond, I like that duo. Ebron and Josh Bernard. I like Jalen Hunt at left side linebacker. Or left edge. I think he's honestly the second best edge on this team. I think he's been better than Nolan Smith. Nolan Smith has been disappointment outside of 2024. Um, and then he's also speeding on the highway. Arnold, how he stays last week, not particularly good, in my opinion. I like Makuba. I think he showed flashes before his injury last year. Um, Marcus Epps is here. Plenty on Mitchell and Cooper Jr. obviously good. Tariq Holmes decent, I suppose. And Jones, Jordan Davis, Jalen Carter, good duo. Let's make some trades. Obviously, starting with an AJ Brown trade. Again, we'll probably trade him to Chicago. Not Chicago, Baltimore. Iowa, LA team, Kansas City, Jacksonville. But let's see if any of those teams are interested in here. Brad McConkey. I don't know if I want another deal. BTJ is rumored. I know we're gonna get a first round pick for AJ Brown. I'm fine trading him to the Chargers. I know we're gonna get at least a first round pick, maybe even more. I would like another safety over Marcus Epps. Um, but the Chargers don't particularly offer that. Outside Don James. I mean, I just don't think that's realistic. You know what I mean? You can get Malcolm Johnson for AJ. Let's just go first. Go first. AJ Brown to Baltimore for first round pick. You get some good trade value from Nolan Smith, obviously. Like I said, I like James Hunt over Nolan Smith. I think Nolan Smith has been a disappointment. Julian Blackman's not the worst safety. I think we can find better. Don't find him there, but then some get on. With the cold bishop. Not gonna happen. Grand Delta, maybe. No Smith and Arnold. A decade. It's going to the ground for Grand Delta. I don't mind that trade, like I said. I like Nolan Smith. I might not know him. James Hunt. Um, James Hunt here. Perfect. We're gonna submit to the mid-season mark. See you guys later. They go 5-2 of the mid-season mark. Makai Lemon going off. Dallas got we're gonna let walk. The week one we might bring back Hollywood Brown. We're gonna let walk. That's what we're gonna let walk. If he would accept this, no. Oh, I need to download draft class. Off the salary and bonus. I don't know why I keep clicking Dallas got it. And it's 4 years. We did lose to Green Bay. Quick loans back for 3 more years. Let's take a look at my mock draft. Baltimore looks to be good. Right now we would have back-to-back picks. We're definitely not on safety twice. Probably not even at all. Similar to the playoffs. And we have an all-time collapse going 8-9. And we have all-time collapse going 8-9. Jalen looks good. Saquon looks good. Makai 22 touchdowns. Devonta Smith still good. Jalen Carter's good. I don't get it. Like, I hate Madison mentioned sometimes, well. I honestly do. Makai Lemon should be the rookie of the year. Right. Giants beat the Colts in the Super Bowl. Makai Lemon is rookie of the year. Deb's rate increases. Makai's up to superstar. Lane Johnson retires. Maybe not cowbell. Uh, I think that bomb was a superstar. Right? Yeah, he's up to an X Factor. Jalen Carter is up to an X Factor. I didn't even move Grant Delta over to free safety. Honestly, I think Makuba is better fitted at free safety. Anyway, yeah, I don't know what other than Madison mentioned being horrible as always. But we do have a lot of money going into free agency. In the world of free agency class sucks. Yeah, I'm out. So we are picking at pick 14. We will be on offensive line. Come on, first round. And pick 22. Ed Thompson. Knapp. Queen. Badblade. Poe. I think we go offensive line in the first round. Thompson went to Grant. So that's 5. I'm gonna go Anton Knapp. What did I say? Number 9 going over class. Number 14 star better development. Now we need a guard and a center. Here's what I'm gonna do. Pick 22 Grant Delpit is going to Vegas for Powers Johnson in the second round this year. I think a trade down was nice. Get a good guard. And I'm going to drop Hill Harris. Number 46 in the class. We got number 44 starting with the and track that more. With a 43 last stop at the top. And honestly, I don't see the need for a third round pick in this draft. Draft recap. Nash is 79. Harris is 76. Moore's is 76. Gonna move Cooper back to strong safety. Any trade value for Jordan? That's a profit. I like this offensive line. I like this offense in general. This defense is not bad at all. Oh, shit. Who's better suited to play free safety? Probably Makuba, right? Makuba could be a good corner. Yeah, it's Makuba. Very. What's the mark for mid-season? And I have a mid-season mark of 5-2. I don't think I'm going to put back anyone. But um, Knapp is a superstar. Okay. Morris undecided. And Harris is a star. Similar to the playoffs. Should be a playoff team. How is this team 7? Oh my god. It's not even offense. It's a defense. The offense was great. But the Packers also always do good. Sim, so do the Giants. Fourth week cover three. I don't want to go for a full play though. What's using Giants defense? We always start 5-2 and just collapse. It's honestly frustrating. To say the least. The Chiefs beat the Lions of Super Bowl. And he demonstrates not on offense. Harris is up to a superstar. DeJean's up to a superstar. Campbell's up to a superstar. Jalen's Hunt's regressing, but we just trained for playbooks, so we might get them one year. I'm not going to blame anyone back. I don't want anyone. So what picks do we have? We have pick 12. We're not going to go off the fly. Let's be sent. I think my best edge is Patrick Cunningham. That might be a pick. I don't know. I don't know. But Patrick Cunningham falls. We'll probably pick him up. I think Patrick Cunningham's probably the best edge. And the 19 class coming up because normal development. I'll probably play James Hunter. Dude, this draft class sucks. That draft class absolutely sucks. Connor was 76 overall. Broncos was good. There's a couple good players. Yeah, this is going to be the team. It's similar to a mid-season mock. I have a mid-season mock with 5-1. Dude, this edge rush looks sick. I don't even know who he traded up with, out of the pick with to get this round. And last draft up. I think it was Denver. No, it was Detroit. Oh, they suck. About middle of the pack right now. Jalen Crowder's back. Dejean, Bond, Powell, Nod, Davis, maybe Hunt. Dejean's back. Bond is back. Grenard is back. I'm making no money for Powell or Davis. We will have to worry about that last season. Go some way to the playoffs. Should be a playoff team. It is a playoff team. 13-4 first round bye. Jalen, great. Saquon, great. Makai Smith, great. Carter, great. Hunt, good. If we have money to bring him back, we will. And that playbook change is what we needed. Playing the 10-7 Lions. We knocked them out. We can play the Giants in an NFC Championship game. We knocked them out. We can play the Colts in the Super Bowl. And we win the Super Bowl. John Campbell MVP of the Super Bowl. Makai Lemon Offensive Player of the Year. Any depth increases. Makai Lemon and Devonta Smith are both up to X factors. Makuba's up to a superstar. We're gonna do one more season release. Except for the few options. We only have 15 now. I mean, I could franchise tag him, but I think I'll have a franchise tag Jordan Davis. I'm above the cap. Hold on, give me a second. Yeah, I think I'll have a franchise tag Jordan Davis. Let's see. That's a great defensive tackle. Expected to go number one overall. Simpsons expected to go number two. He get one and two somehow. That would be great. So I'll probably let Jordan Davis walk. Won't be able to sign anyone in free agency. So that's fine. Again, this is probably last season. I don't know who has a crystal ball. Titans. See if we can add the Tank Bigsby in here. Or Darren Edwards. Landon Dickerson might be for our man out. Alright, let's offer a second. Pro football second this year. Hold on. So are they able to the Cloud pick one from the Texans, pick two from the Browns to get the defensive tackle and edge. And then the best player in the class got a better development. Simpson. Are you kidding me? He still looks pretty good still, but development. I still think he's a good player. We need to kick him and punter as well. That fight would be much better, you know what I mean? Vincent, Madden, Dev. And we also need a punter. As well as 83 overall. Simpsons 76 still pretty good. How's Dak is with draft class? Oh, it's that. Okay. But I'm gonna switch from mid-season mark. I don't know how we're putting forth from mid-season mark. Like, it makes no sense to me. This is last season. It's 1-2 player season. This game honestly pisses me off sometimes. But Jalen, good season. Saquon, not so great. Makai, great season. Devonta could be better. Like, I don't know. I don't get it, Bill. I don't get it. I do want to take a look at the stats and awards. Not the stats for awards. The Texans beat the Giants in the Super Bowl. I mean, Denver increased. I mean, this is a very good team. Dallas is up to six. I never even checked the Falmouth trades. San Antonio was X factors. Last Thank you for watching. Take it easy.